Alright guys, we're back. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose a market when you're wholesaling real estate. This is subjective. Everyone's different. If you don't have much money, recommend starting in your backyard, pulling the government list. Welcome back guys. This is niche wholesaling. We teach niche wholesaling. Focus on one niche, make a ton of money in one niche because you are the subject matter expert. Joel signing in, Lou's doing some work, acquisitions, getting some deals. Today we're gonna focus on choosing a market. So we're gonna make this really easy and simple. Start with your backyard if you have no money. If you have money, you should use probably Redfin to look up some of the best cities in the nation where there's a ton of real estate activity. Wherever there's a ton of cash buyers, there's more certainty that your deals are gonna sell fast. Also, one thing you wanna keep in mind, the type of buyers you're going after. If you're going after flippers, the property values are gonna need to be high. If you're going after buy and hold investors, the property values could be low, but you need to base your formulas and your ARV based on your 1% rule when it comes to rentals, right? We'll teach that in the future in detail, but don't overcomplicate this. If you have no money, start in your backyard, go to your local government, pull any and every list you can of distress, water shut off, fire damage, code violation, etc. Even the probate list. If you can get the probate in your backyard and then just use Google Voice to call the seller, that's a win. Once you make some money, now you can invest into virtual markets. But if you already have money, just go after where you see a ton of buyers activity. And Investor Lift does have some data on where the most buyers buy, and you want to just start backwards from there. Obviously, less competition, the better. That's why we do niche wholesaling. That's why we only wholesale fire damage houses. Less competition, we're the expert. We're just increasing our chances to win, do some deals, make millions in the process. All right, Joel signing out. Peace.